Here are the next steps after downloading your HelloPrenup prenuptial agreement. Step 1, review your prenup carefully. Make sure you understand all of the terms. Make sure you're comfortable with everything that is contained in that prenup because you need to know what you're signing before you sign it. Remember, this is a legal document. Bring it to an attorney if you don't feel comfortable with any of the provisions, if you have questions about the law, if you're not sure what may happen in the event of a divorce. It's really, really key that you understand and feel comfortable with everything in this document. Step 2, print and sign at least 3 originals of this agreement. 3 originals may sound a little bit excessive, but it's not. You should keep 1, your future spouse should keep 1, and you should keep 1 original together jointly, somewhere in a safe place where you both can find it. This is really important because if your prenup is ever contested in the future, it is imperative that you have an original. Step 3, sign your prenuptial agreement in the presence of a notary. You need to get this document notarized, and it could not be easier to do these days. Use Notarize.com, which is a service that will notarize your prenup within 24 hours online. You don't have to leave your house. You don't have to go to a bank and find a notary. All you have to do is go to Notarize.com, and for $25, you can have your prenup notarized. Step 4, initial the bottom of each page. Although this is not a requirement, this is not in any state statute, we do think it's really important. Initial the bottom right-hand corner of each page. You and your fiance should each do this. It shows that you knew what was on every single page, you felt totally comfortable with it, and it's important to do. Keep this agreement really safe. This is a really important document in your life. Although you may never need to use it, and of course, we know your marriage is going to work out and you're not going to need this prenup, it is important that you know where it is. If you need to reflect back on it because you and your spouse are talking about what do we do with that savings account, how do we buy this next property, maybe you need to go look at that prenup and see what you agreed to so that you're following the prenup as you intended. So if that's the case, you're going to need to see this original document. Make sure you keep it in a safe place where you both can find it. Happy negotiating.